Number 2 is the ieGeek Security Outdoor Camera. The ieGeek Security Outdoor Camera is an exceptional surveillance solution designed to protect your home and loved ones in 2024. Its crystal clear 2K QHD video quality offers 1.5 times more detail than conventional 1080p models, ensuring every inch of your property is under sharp scrutiny and surveillance. It is equipped with a 355 degrees pan, 120 degrees tilt rotation, and 4x digital zoom, providing an ultra-wide viewing angle that eliminates blind spots and ensures precise monitoring of every corner. The built-in 4-didual antenna supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, ensuring excellent signal permeability and a wider range for seamless connectivity. Bid farewell to frequent charging and complicated wiring installations, as this camera operates 100% wirelessly. Its intelligent PIR motion detection minimizes false alarms, complemented by a spotlight and built-in infrared lights for striking color night vision up to 100 feet. With dual storage options, use a microSD card up to 128 gigabytes, not included, or enjoy free lifetime cloud storage. It offers flexibility to suit your preferences. Moreover, you'll have peace of mind with the generous 2-year warranty provided by ieGeek, alongside its state-of-the-art security features. Upgrade to the ieGeek Security Outdoor Camera for comprehensive and reliable home protection. If you want to purchase this outdoor security camera right now, then check out the link given in the description box.